Are you looking for a natural way to boost your health and well-being? Millions are turning to MCT oil, a supplement that is transforming wellness. From weight management to improved cognitive function, MCT oil offers a wide range of potential benefits. This video will delve into the science behind MCT oil and explore how it can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Get ready to unlock the power of MCT oil and experience the positive impact it can have on your life. MCT oil is a type of fat that is easily absorbed and used by the body for energy. MCT stands for medium-chain triglycerides, which are found in foods like coconut oil and palm oil. Unlike long-chain triglycerides, which are the most common type of fat in our diet, MCTs are metabolized differently. They bypass the normal digestive process and go straight to the liver, where they are converted into ketones, a readily available energy source for the brain and muscles. One of the most popular reasons people use MCT oil is for weight management. This versatile oil, derived from coconut or palm kernel oil, has gained a lot of attention in the health and wellness community. But what makes it so special when it comes to managing weight? Studies have shown that MCTs can help increase satiety, which means you feel fuller for longer after eating. This can naturally lead to a reduction in calorie intake, as you're less likely to snack or overeat between meals. Imagine pushing away that extra plate of food because you simply don't feel the need for it. Additionally, MCTs have been found to boost metabolism. A faster metabolism means your body is more efficient at burning calories, even when you're at rest. This can be particularly beneficial for those who are trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Picture yourself jogging or running, knowing that your body is working hard to burn those extra calories. MCT oil has also been found to increase thermogenesis, the process of burning calories to produce heat. This means that your body is not only burning calories for energy, but also generating heat, which can further aid in weight loss. Visualize the internal body heat animation and the thermographic image of a body, showing how your body is actively working to burn those calories. By incorporating MCT oil into your diet, whether it's adding it to your morning shake or using it in your cooking, you may find it easier to manage your weight and achieve your body composition goals. Imagine the satisfaction of checking off a weight loss goal on your chart and smiling at your reflection in the mirror, knowing that you're making progress. Remember, however, that MCT oil is not a magic bullet for weight loss. It's important to maintain a balanced diet and regular exercise routine. Consulting with a dietitian can help you create a personalized plan that includes MCT oil as part of a comprehensive approach to weight management. Picture yourself reading a nutrition label, getting advice from a dietitian, and balancing your diet plan with exercise to achieve the best results. Another exciting benefit of MCT oil is its potential to improve cognitive function. The ketones produced when MCTs are metabolized can cross the blood-brain barrier and provide an alternative energy source for the brain. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with Alzheimer's disease or other neurodegenerative conditions. Studies have shown that MCT oil supplementation can improve memory, attention, and overall cognitive performance in both healthy individuals and those with cognitive impairment. MCT oil and exercise performance. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts may also benefit from incorporating MCT oil into their routine. The rapid energy provided by MCTs can help fuel workouts and improve athletic performance. Studies have shown that MCT oil can increase endurance, reduce perceived exertion, and enhance fat burning during exercise. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, MCT oil can provide the energy boost you need to perform your best. Other potential benefits of MCT oil. In addition to the benefits mentioned above, MCT oil has also been linked to several other potential health benefits, including Improved gut health. MCT oil may help promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, which can improve digestion and overall gut health. The gut is often referred to as the body's second brain, and maintaining a healthy gut microbiome is crucial for overall well-being. By fostering the growth of good bacteria, MCT oil can aid in balancing the gut flora, which in turn can enhance nutrient absorption and support the immune system. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals suffering from digestive issues such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. Incorporating MCT oil into your diet, whether through smoothies, salad dressings, or even coffee, can be a simple yet effective way to support your digestive health. Reduced inflammation. MCTs have anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce chronic inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is a silent contributor to many diseases, including arthritis, diabetes, and even certain cancers. By incorporating MCT oil into your daily routine, you may be able to mitigate some of these risks. The anti-inflammatory effects of MCT oil can also be beneficial for athletes or individuals who engage in regular physical activity, as it may help in faster recovery and reduced muscle soreness. Additionally, combining MCT oil with other anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric, ginger, and leafy greens can amplify these benefits, creating a holistic approach to managing inflammation. Improved heart health. MCT oil may help lower LDL, or bad cholesterol, and raise HDL, or good cholesterol, potentially reducing the risk of heart disease. Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide, and managing cholesterol levels is a key factor in reducing this risk. MCT oil can be a valuable addition to a heart-healthy diet. Regular exercise, such as jogging or brisk walking, combined with the consumption of MCT oil, can further enhance cardiovascular health. It's also worth noting that MCT oil can be a healthier alternative to other cooking oils, as it has a higher smoke point and is less likely to oxidize, making it a safer option for high-heat cooking. It's important to note that more research is needed to confirm these potential benefits. While the preliminary findings are promising, scientific studies are ongoing to fully understand the extent of MCT oil's health benefits. Researchers are continually exploring new ways in which MCT oil can be utilized, from its potential role in weight management to its effects on cognitive function. As with any supplement, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual health needs and ensure that MCT oil is a suitable addition to your wellness regimen. In the meantime, incorporating MCT oil into a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle can be a proactive step towards better health. Incorporating MCT oil into your diet. MCT oil, or medium-chain triglyceride oil, has gained popularity for its potential health benefits, including improved energy levels, enhanced cognitive function, and support for weight management. But how do you actually incorporate this versatile oil into your daily routine? Let's explore some practical and delicious ways to make MCT oil a staple in your diet. Adding MCT oil to your diet is easy and convenient. Its neutral taste and smell make it an excellent addition to a variety of dishes without altering their flavor. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, you'll find that MCT oil can seamlessly blend into your culinary creations. It has a neutral taste and smell, making it versatile for various culinary applications. You can use it in both sweet and savory dishes, ensuring that you get the benefits of MCT oil no matter what you're in the mood for. Let's dive into some specific ways you can incorporate MCT oil into your meals. Add it to smoothies. Blend a tablespoon or two into your morning smoothie for a quick and easy energy boost. MCT oil can enhance the creaminess of your smoothie while providing a sustained source of energy. Whether you prefer a green smoothie packed with spinach and kale or a fruity blend with berries and bananas, MCT oil can be a perfect addition. You can also experiment with different smoothie recipes to find your favorite combination. Use it in salad dressings. Whisk it with olive oil, vinegar, and herbs for a healthy and flavorful salad dressing. MCT oil can add a subtle richness to your dressings, making your salads more satisfying. Try combining it with balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, and a touch of honey for a delicious vinaigrette. You can also use it as a base for creamy dressings by blending it with Greek yogurt or avocado. Cook with it. Use it as a substitute for other oils when cooking eggs, vegetables, or meat. MCT oil has a high smoke point, making it suitable for various cooking methods, including sautéing, stir-frying, and grilling. You can use it to cook your morning eggs, stir-fry your favorite vegetables, or even grill a piece of meat. Its neutral flavor ensures that it won't overpower the natural taste of your ingredients. Take it straight. You can also take a tablespoon or two of MCT oil straight, but start with a smaller amount and gradually increase your intake to avoid digestive discomfort. Taking MCT oil directly can be a quick and efficient way to get your daily dose, especially if you're on the go. However, it's important to listen to your body and adjust the amount based on your tolerance. Experiment with different methods to find what works best for you. MCT oil is incredibly versatile, so don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. You can add it to your coffee for a creamy, energy-boosting beverage, mix it into your oatmeal, or even use it in baking. The possibilities are endless, and the key is to find the methods that fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. By incorporating MCT oil into your diet, you can enjoy its potential health benefits while enhancing the flavor and nutrition of your meals. Choosing the right MCT oil. When choosing an MCT oil supplement, opt for a high-quality product that is free from additives and fillers. Look for MCT oils that are derived from coconut oil or palm kernel oil, as these sources are naturally high in MCTs. MCT oil is available in various forms, including liquid, capsules, and powder. Choose the form that best suits your needs and preferences. Potential side effects and considerations. While generally safe for consumption, MCT oil can cause digestive discomfort, such as nausea, diarrhea, or stomach cramps, especially when consumed in excess. It's essential to start with a low dose and gradually increase your intake as tolerated. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, consult your healthcare provider before adding MCT oil to your diet. Unlock your potential. MCT oil is a versatile supplement that can provide a wide range of health benefits. From weight management to improved cognitive function, MCT oil can help you unlock your full potential. Incorporate it into your daily routine and experience the transformative power of MCTs. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or supplement regimen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more videos on health improvement.